I'm Aaron from Columbia.
And I'm Phil from prctaping.
And today we're going to go over how to use an angle head to flush your inside corners. In this video, we're using a 3-inch angle head because that's the industry standard for flushing. This part will be how to do the flush coat after the corner roller. First, you have to put your angle head adapter onto your handle. You can use the Columbia one handle fixed or extendable. We're going to use the extendable for this video. Twist your adapter on. Then, on the back, you have a clip on the angle head. Push it up, drop it on the ball, it's attached. If your angle head is fresh out of the box, you want to fill the grooves with mud before you run it. You never want to run it dry on the wall. With your flush coat on the angle head, you want to make sure you start at least 6 inches in from the corner. That way you're not pulling the tape with you. When you go along, you're not going to do it in one pass, so don't push hard thinking that you're going to. You want to push a little bit lighter, do it in 2 or 3 passes and get it done right. As for positioning when running the angle head, there's a wrong way to do it, which is running it in front of you or beside you, or the right way, which is about a 45-degree angle behind you. You want to actually drag the angle head along rather than push it. If you push it, you're going to get stuttering. If you drag it like that, you're going to get a nice, smooth finish. Always make sure the angle head is behind you when you're walking. When it comes to 3-ways, the angle head's not going to get right into the corner, so you are going to have to go in with a 6-inch knife and square up the corners. You'll see here, you got to square them up so they're even with the angle head finish that you have.
Those of you that are new to the angle head, don't be nervous if it's not leaving enough mud. This is a precision tool, meaning less mud, less sanding, and you'll be satisfied with your finished coat.
Thank you for watching. I hope you learned something today. I'd like to thank Phil from prctaping for helping out, and visit our YouTube channel for more videos like this.